This is Josh on the product team at Hydrolix. Today I'm going to give a demo of just how quickly and easily you can obtain deeper, real-time, and historical insights of your AWS Edge services like CloudFront, WAF, and Elemental. With Hydrolix for AWS, you can have access to a live interactive dashboard of your Edge services logs in less than 15 minutes. We'll start in the AWS Marketplace, where you can either take advantage of the 7-day free trial or proceed with the purchase of the month-to-month agreement. Once either agreement is accepted, simply click the Setup button and you will be brought to the Hydrolix onboarding experience. We'll start by filling out some basic registration information and creating your Hydrolix login credentials. After completing the registration, a verification code will be sent to the email address provided, which is entered into the next page to ensure we have a way to contact you for any important communications. The final onboarding step is to choose the AWS region in which you'd like your account to be set up. The account setup takes you to your AWS CloudFormation console to approve and start the CloudFormation stack creation, which will set up both your and Hydrolix's AWS account for your use of Hydrolix. Back on the Hydrolix tab, we can see the gradual completion of the account setup steps, which have been sped up here for the sake of the demo, but take a little over 3 minutes to complete. Your log data will be ingested and processed in this AWS region and stored in an S3 bucket in your AWS account in this region as well. If you didn't see the AWS region you would like to use, you can always reach out to support at hydrolix.io to request a new region. Now that your account has been set up, you can proceed directly to your Hydrolix web console, which you can bookmark and return directly to at any time to manage your use and configuration of the product. Once we're there, let's add our first source of data from which to ingest logs by using the pull-down menus to select the source and the transport method for getting the logs to Hydrolix for processing. For the demo, we'll choose Amazon's CloudFront CDN services real-time logs, which require a Kinesis data stream as their transport method. Clicking the Add button starts the automated provisioning process, and you can monitor the progress in the right-hand frame. Again, we've sped this portion up for the sake of the demo today, but this process takes about 5 to 7 minutes to perform a variety of provisioning tasks, including the creation of the Kinesis data stream and its checkpoint in your AWS account, and the creation of the CDN data table and its ingestion transform in the Hydrolix account. And finally, it deploys your CDN dashboard. Now that we've completed all the provisioning steps, you can find some helpful instructions on how to configure your CloudFront distribution to start sending us your real-time logs in the lower left frame if needed. And in the lower right frame, you'll find your link to the new CDN dashboard. So let's go take a look at that. We use Grafana for our default dashboards, but also support integrations with the most common visualization tools in the industry, in case you already have a preferred solution. You can see here that we've already deployed the CloudFront dashboard for you. So we'll open that up and take a look. You'll notice that there's already a little bit of data in it from the synthetic logs we injected to test the Kinesis data stream we provisioned for you. Our default dashboards have a variety of visualizations of the CloudFront log fields based on what Hydrolix CDN customers have found most useful. It's an interactive dashboard that will filter the dashboard on any data you click on, and all Hydrolix customers have editor access to their Grafana organization, so you can customize them or even create entirely new dashboards to meet your unique needs. And that's the demo, from marketplace purchase to a live dashboard of your AWS services in less than 15 minutes. You can find much more information about the Hydrolix for AWS offering or even request a private live demo on our website at hydrolix.io/hydrolix-4-AWS. Thanks for watching.